1 2 1 2 baby. It's fresh cash for fucking Fresh Cash Friday, baby. Who's ready? It's bigger than woo. Let's go. All right, first things first. Listen up, you little munchkins people. Whatever, what does ICT call already? Munchkins, you little people. Hey, you little people, listen up real quickly. First off, it's Fresh Cash Friday. Blow up that fucking like button right now. We got to get 500 likes here in the next like 2 minutes or I'm out of here. I got things to do today. I got to go to the bank, transfer $150,000 fucking dollars today. $150,000 wire transfer, buying a boat, baby. I'm going to transfer more money today than most people are going to make all year long. Let's go. Woo. All right, I'm doing a giveaway today, by the way. I'll do a giveaway. It's Friday. We like to do stuff. We like to give giveaways on Friday. Here's how it's going to work. Very simple. For everybody just now tuning in, hit that link right there. Go to that reel on Instagram. Leave a comment. Hit the like button, comment, like button, follow if you haven't already. I'll pick a winner later on here today. So let's fucking go. Joe had a $7,000 day thanks to me. Well, Joe, welcome to the party, baby. All right. Getting ready for the market to open. We got a big old gap up today. We had news this morning, the market gapping up. You know what that means? It says it up there, actually, right there. Gaps love to get filled. We'll see. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Today is the last day of September. Wild things happen on the last day of the month. Wild things. You think about it, just wild things can happen. It says page isn't available. Damn it. Just go to my Instagram, Patrick Wieland Instagram, leave a comment, fucking blow it up, and then I'll blow you guys up later. All right. Pulling up the charts here on the NASDAQ. Look at this move overnight. I thought this was really funny, actually. Look at this thing. Talk about manipulation. What is that? Have you ever seen a 15-minute chart look like that? Look how perfectly this thing just like, that's like, wee! Wee! What is that? That's some pretty funny shit right there. You gotta love it. The market is a funny thing. I mean, come on. Those 15-minute candles. What in the world? Just 100 point, basically, just do. And then this morning, the big old gap up on the numbers. So, looking here on the NASDAQ right now, what do we got? We got a gap fill. Where is the gap fill today? Gap fill is going to be pretty much down here at the 880 level on the NASDAQ where we closed at yesterday. So gap fill down there. If it says page is not available on Instagram, you gotta do a little bit more work and just look up Patrick Wieland Inc. and it'll be there for sure. Hip hop. If you guys want to get pumped up with me, I'm right now listening to Hip Hop by Dead Presidents. Just, it's bigger than hip hop. Bigger than hip hop. All right, let's get into it. We've got some pivot points. We got a pivot point there at the 985s. We got this gap fill all the way back down there to the 870. I think we actually closed. Where did we actually close a little higher? I think we closed like there. Why is that not? I messed around yesterday. We were doing a thingy-majiggy. Where's it at? Gap fill. Just go to default. Reset settings. Defaults. Did it reset? I don't know. Did it? I don't think it did. Reset settings. Why is this thing not working? Where's the gap fill at? 866s? Is that it for real? Oh God, what just happened there? All right, 866s. So yeah, we closed. Can't even having issues this morning. All right, 866s. I don't know why my indicator is not showing it right now, but right now the Nasdaq at that pivot point. We got the VWAP down there at the 935s. We've got a couple things, you know, to obviously look at here. Couple things to look at. Kind of looking like a little bull flag right now. I hate the fact that we've gapped up. Not that I don't hate it, but it is a little scary to be buying this breakout here, unless the market just absolutely goes straight up today. On the daily chart, we've got a resistance there at the 24 level, and then the next daily candle up there at the 151s, 15,151. So this 15,000 area going to be very important today. We got a pivot point up there at the 15,111 area. Right now, this chart, kind of 15-minute chart, showing us that pivot point there in play. We bounced off this 927 earlier. You know, I'd like to get a little pullback here at open, but you know how that goes sometimes. What we want and what happens is not always the same thing, is it? If it was that easy, it'd be that easy. I wish it was that easy. I wish we could just wake up in the morning and be like, well, this is what I want to happen. It's going to happen. Let's go. All right. All right. Sometimes it does work like that. Sometimes it don't. So let's see. We got, what do we have? We have any numbers today at 10 o'clock? Can't remember. Numbers, 10 o'clock. What do we got? Economic calendar today. We do have numbers. We have the Michigan consumer expectations and Chicago. We have Chicago PMI numbers at 9:45. Then we've got the 10 o'clock numbers as well. So 9:45, 10 o'clock numbers. Ugh, I hate those. It's like back to back to back, just fuckery. So keep that in mind. Today might be a good day to wait for that 10 o'clock number and then get the big move. We'll see. I think looking at the dollar here, dollar's kind of popping up. Dollar trying to break out here. So if the dollar breaks out here at open, well, I think the Nasdaq pulls back and we try to get down there. VWAP maybe a little bit lower. We'll see. Right now, the dollar is sitting there pretty much like at this kind of double top area here, triple top area. If it breaks through here on the dollar's got some room to push up into this level. So I don't know. We'll see. The best part about it is all we got to do is wait for the market to open, wait for the trade, then we make the money. On the book map right now, we've got 100 contracts sitting there at the 50s. Uh-oh. What do you think? Do a poll here. Are we going up or down at open? Let's do the poll. Poll time. Poll time. All right. Let's see. Is it a 50-50 today? Or a... It's always Eastern. Anytime I talk about time, it's always Eastern. Anything other than Eastern does not matter. People that are like Central, fucking Pacific... That is a made up time. There's only one time when it comes to trading to talk about. Only one time, and that is literally Eastern. I don't know why anyone ever talks about any other time other than that. So the stock market's on the East Coast. That's what runs the entire world is based on Eastern time, all right? People will be like, I think the market, it's at 8:15 Central. I'm like, what the fuck is Central time? The fuck? I do not care about Central time. Only one time I care about, and that's the money-making time. This 15-minute chart right now looking squeezy, to be honest, unless we just dump straight down here. Look at that, wick. Big bull flag right here. The ES trying to push up. I think if we break over this high here, we go up there 25s, and then you got that 50 on the book map. There's a bunch of liquidity there at the 50s. So we could just get this straight up squeeze of the moon, be looking for that breakout here at open. We got 2 minutes straight through that 10 level, and then we're looking for 50s. I'd be looking that 50 liquidity up there. There's 102 contracts sitting there at the 50s. So we're holding that pivot point right now. We're above the VWAP here. Could just squeeze the bulls to the moon here. Right now, the poll is up 61%, 39% down. So it's time to party. If you guys haven't hit that like button, help me out. It's free to like, by the way. We've got 500 likes here on the stream. Let's get this party going. Lewis said we're going to 80, and then we're going to push to 1527. I like it. I like it. Dollar is breaking out here. The NASDAQ trying to push up here into open. Dollar showing strength here right now, so not a good sign. You don't love that. But the ES is making a new high right now. ES is making a new high, unless the ES is going to trap everybody and pull back to the 56s here at open. Follow that trend line. There's a trend line on the ES, the 56s. So I think if we get below that, below this pivot here, well, then you got that VWAP down there next. But that pivot kind of needs to stay for the bulls. Paul wants to hit the love button. Ooh. I have that effect, you know. I think it's the leopard today. Have that effect. Everyone falling in love. Here we go. The market's open, baby. See if we get this straight up squeeze up there to the 20s. They're trapping above that high. Just ran that high there. See if they break this to the downside there. That first candle opening up right there. 15,000 right now. I think if we break through that low here, we drop quickly. So let's see. I think they just trapped everybody above that high. Bouncing right now at the 14 EMA. Can we sell through the 90s strong? Or they're going to chop it around here at the 15s. Holding up there at the 90s for now. Being patient here. We got this is a 15-minute chart. Let's go to the 1-minute chart for now. That pivot point down there in play currently. Holding it up here at the 90s, about to break 90. They're the 90s there. Got that pivot point to get through next, and then there's liquidity on the book map down there at 80s. Dollar going straight up here. NASDAQ right now holding up here. The ES kind of breaking to the downside, making breaking down on the 15-minute chart. The NASDAQ holding up there for now. I think if we hold here long enough, we're going to squeeze straight up. The bears are going to get squeezed out here, but if we can't get back above this level, it's not going to be good for the bulls there. The dollar trying to break out, the NASDAQ trying to break down here. The ES breaking down, NASDAQ down there to 85s now. Just stuck right here. holding on for now there for dear life. The bulls know they want to hold that pivot point. Below that pivot point, we got the VWAP all the way down there at the 42s. So if they sell through the 80s, I think we'll go to the VWAP next. So holding up right now at the pivot for now. Stuck below the 15,000s. That 1550 area is still sitting up there for now. Are we going to squeeze here? We held that pivot point for now. Dollar going straight up. The ES bouncing off the pivot. The NASDAQ right here at the 15,000s. Looking to see if we can start to move up here. Let's see. Dollar getting stuck for now. And chopping it back down there for now to the 15s again. Looking squeezy. Uh-oh. She's trying to squeeze. And just chop it here. Still not broken out. I got to get above that 20 level for that push up there to the 50s possible. The ES bouncing back off the pivot. The NASDAQ bounced off the pivot there. Everything bounced off the pivot for now. But just can't get the move up here. And stuck there again. Looking troublesome. Looking like we might dump right through here. Ugh. The total crapshoot. Holding up right there. I'm gonna try a short right here. I got the dollar popping up. Stop at the 04s. Pretty tight stop on it. See if we sell down through there. Holding up there. That 14 EMA right there, 21 EMA holding up for now. We get through there, we're gonna dump. Let's dump it, baby. Let's get through the 80s here. Moving my stop to 91 now. We're short from the 93s. Protect the stop here in case this pops back up again. We're right there at that pivot point right now. We need to dump through here. And stopped out there, just basically break even. We're bouncing her off that pivot. I just don't want this thing ripping back up on me. It's probably going to dump right there now. There it goes. Oh, God. Just holding up there for now, being patient. We got these numbers coming out at 9:45. We got 10 o'clock numbers, obviously. So trying to be patient, give us some time here now. Was hoping we were going to get that just waterfall to the downside. We got stopped out for just a small profit. And now she's looking like she wants to squeeze back up here again. We push through right here. This might, I just keep saying might. We're just waiting either way. Need to stop guessing and need to just wait. This thing looking breakout over the 03s. I think we'll test those, take out these highs here up to the 20s next. Would be what I'm thinking. Stuck right below that 03 level there. And straight back down there. The chop is real. VWAP down there at the 48s. Just holding it up there still. The ES straight down, the NASDAQ chopping here. And right back up there once again. I think we're gonna have to wait for that 9:45 numbers. The bears just can't get the job done here. We got numbers coming out here in 4 minutes. 9:45 numbers. Get ready for that, people. Get ready for the numbers. A lot of indecision right here, boys. Wieland, why has the market for the past 2 weeks been choppy at open? Don't know what to tell you. Because it knows that I'm here. Duh. Just waiting for these numbers. 9:45. Three minutes. We're still holding that pivot point there. That 50 liquidity is still sitting up there on the book map, by the way, if anybody's wondering. Dollar is still going straight up. Can we get a meaningful move through here now? I think if the numbers are good, we'll run those highs. Let's see. 2 minutes till the numbers come out. Very, very choppy right here. Look at this thing just not going anywhere. Being patient here. We got 1 minute till the numbers. Ten seconds. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, help me out. Blow up the like button. It's free to like, by the way. The numbers are out. Still holding up at that pivot point there. We got to get through this, all these wicks here. Through all these wicks, I think we'll go to the 50s. That 50 liquidity is still sitting up there. Can we get there? Just want to see this high get taken out here before really doing anything there. No point in getting long right at these fucking highs here, that's for sure. Don't do it. It's not a good idea. Dollar still kind of holding on over there. Dollar going straight up and holding on for now. We got more numbers coming out at 10 o'clock, so. Market is not moving here. The ES stuck, the NASDAQ stuck. It's holding, boys. I'm gonna wait for these 10 o'clock numbers, see if we get a better move here, or if we take out these highs really quickly. Oh my God. Fuck. Well, there's the high takeout. Up there to the 30s. This thing wants 50s. She's going straight to the 50s. Look at that. Are you fucking kidding me? Didn't even give us a chance to do anything there. That 50 liquidity still sitting up there. Had that run of all those stops, ran all the bear stops, stopped him out. You saw that jump right through that level there, up there almost to all the way to the 40s. Now pulling back here. We got more numbers coming out 10 o'clock. Look at that chop. Just right back down in it. The dollar is still going straight up. We broke the 15-minute breakout there, the 15-minute opening range, but I don't know. Needs more time, I guess. Dollar is literally just going straight up here. Look at the dollar right now. It's a lot of pressure. Like I said, the dollar pushed up there to the 05s, now up there to the 06s. Look at it, dollar just going straight up here. There's no way the Nasdaq's gonna go straight up when the dollar is going straight up. No way, Jose. Hopefully after these 10 o'clock numbers, we get better move. I'm going to wait for these 10 o'clock numbers. The ES just can't get moving. The Nasdaq broke out to the upside, but the ES is just stuck at the lows. So I think that's stopping this breakout here. So this is the 3-minute chart we're looking at right now. Assassin making over $1,000 after watching the live stream last night. Let's go. MFT, Market Flow Trader Community. Ayo in the yayo. Eight minutes till 10 o'clock for the numbers. I hate these damn 9:45 number bullshit things. I hate it. I hate it. 9:45 then 10 o'clock numbers just really does not make it easy to trade. That 50 liquidity is still sitting there on the book map right now, so. We're gonna run that 40 high there. Dollar pulling back finally. NASDAQ, the ES starting to bounce back up and right in the middle of a 15-minute candle there. So up there to the 30s. Bookmap got the liquidity up there in the high 30s and then the 50s. Dollar pulling back here. The ES pushing up. Numbers in 5 minutes. And just insane chop here right now. Oh. The 15-minute chart here on the NASDAQ got that breakout there earlier, but you can see we're just sitting right in the middle of that 15-minute candle right now. So need to get through that 40 level. There's 3.5 minutes till those numbers come out. That's when that obviously that candle will close as well. So if that candle can close up here at the highs, well, I guess it really doesn't matter, to be honest. And when those numbers come out, this thing can just do whatever the fuck it wants. But we're gonna find out here in a second. Or we're going to find out in 3 minutes. Dollar's pulling back here. Ah, she's breaking to the upside there, but I don't know. I don't know. What do we do here? We got 2 minutes till those numbers come out. I would hate to freaking jump in right here as these numbers are coming out, but he's looking squeezy. Fuck. The gambler in me says jump in. The smart person in me says wait. I don't know. We got 2 minutes. We'll wait. 2 minutes to wait. We can wait 2 minutes. I've waited longer than that for less. We ran the highs. We did that at least. Now it's gonna just squeeze straight to the moon. Fuck. Ah. Classic. That 50 liquidity, now they've added liquidity there at the 45s. 114 contracts there at the 45s now. 45s and 50s up there. We got numbers coming out here in 10 seconds. The numbers are out. Look at this trend right now on the 3-minute chart. Oh, man. Up there to the 50s now. It's really interesting to see when we see those big levels of liquidity on the book map pre-market. We saw that level up there earlier this morning, and it's like, just, I don't know. Do you just buy every fucking dip? You know, it's like, what do you, we've seen that how many times now? That level was sitting there before the market even opened. And there's the 50 break. I don't know, is that a strategy? Just fucking buy every dip? It's crazy. Remember the other day, the same thing, in the 7, we had that 750 area, got tapped. I mean, it's just like these levels just absolutely, they're sitting there before the market even opens, 100 contracts or more. Interesting. There's that push up there to the 50s now. I would like to see, you know, I would like to see a pullback here, possibly. Something. Give me something to pull back into here. Just pull back a little bit, please. Please, Billy. Now it's just gonna grind. It's gonna just grind straight up here now. Fuck. Just gonna grind. Just grinding. Grinding. Ugh. $65's up there next. $65 liquidity there at 65's next. They're just stacking up liquidity below us right now. Look at this. Look at all those orders just sitting below us, hoping to get filled. $40, $35, $25. So let's see what happens. They pull back into these dip buys down there. Dollar going straight up here still. The dollar has literally just been on a mission all morning long here. Look at the dollar breaking out once again. Oh, big reversal on the dollar this morning. Impressive that the NASDAQ's holding up as well as it's held up. Look at that thing, just whee to the moon right now on the dollar. See if we get a better pullback here on the NASDAQ. Give me a better pullback, baby. $40 liquidity just sitting there right now on the 1 minute chart looking at this thing. See if we get a little more of a pullback here. More pullback, less cowbell. I hope somebody gives you credit for inverse head and shoulders yesterday. You got your credit, bro. Congratulations. You win. You win. Congratulations. I hope I get my credit for saying that it was going to go down here and touch those big orders down there. Give me my credit. Give me my credit. You thought you were going to be banned? No. I'm not going to ban you. I'll make you stay around and stick around a little longer. Look at that. All those big orders down there are getting filled. We saw all that liquidity at the 40s, the 35s, the 25s now. So is this the pullback or is this the crash? Which one is it? Dude, the dollar. Oh my God. The dollar just going straight up here. Like the dollar is like, hey, hold my beer. I'm going to the moon. Look at this dollar right now. Hold my beer, the dollar said. Now there's liquidity at the 15s. Dollar just going straight up. Dollar bills. Got the ES bouncing off the pivot point there at the 61s right now. We got a pivot point on the NASDAQ all the way up there at the 110s. Pivot point to the downside at the 85s. Dollar finally getting stuck there for now. See if it's going to slow down a little bit. This will be a bounce area. Maybe pull back into the 15s a little bit deeper here from that breakout earlier. Somebody said ES short. I'm not sure about shorting right here. Might be bad advice. I think this will try to push back up here. If you're going to try to short, why not wait for a push back up and then try to look for a short? I wouldn't be shorting at the low of this move right here. Look for more of a pushback up here first. You know? No point in chasing waterfalls. So now if you're looking for like maybe this thing pushes back up now, break it through here. Could be a short. Dollar about to break out once again. 15 liquidity down there on the book map right now. Dollar got stuck again. Dollar got stuck. Dollar bills. That 15 area looks interesting here to sell down to. Here on the NASDAQ, there's a bunch of liquidity there. The 15s should touch that 15 level. Let's see. ES bouncing hard off that pivot point once again. So the ES holding that pivot point there, the 61s. The dollar stuck there. So now the NASDAQ pushing back up here for a second. Bunch of liquidity at the 45s now. Can I share with you the best thing that I learned trading? I say the number one rule is just fucking knowing when to walk away, to be honest. That's probably the most important thing you can learn as a day trader, is knowing when to fold them, when to hold them. If you learn that, it makes trading a lot easier. The problem is, for a lot of people, they just, I mean, I even have that problem sometimes where it's hard to walk away. I probably should have already walked away. It's Friday. Fuck it. Walk away, go do something else. The dollar once again trying to pop up here through the highs. The NASDAQ up here to the 40s. In theory, this should start to dump. In theory. If I was a betting man, I would bet that this wants to dump. But I might be wrong. I could be right, I could be wrong. The ES holding on there with that pivot point right now. Oof. Down there to the 30s again. Oof. Ooh. Will he be right? Oh God. Down there to the 20s. I think that 15 level just wants to get tapped there. 15s down there shitting at the 15s down there. We're sitting at the 15s. Sitting at the 15s. Come on, tap the 15s. Tap the 15s. So I can tell everybody I was right. Tap the 15s so I can tell everybody in the chat that I was right. I told you I thought it was gonna dump, and look what happened. Hey. Patrick Wieland, everybody. #1 day trader on YouTube. We went to a low there of 15.25. I was right. Why would anyone watch anyone else on YouTube? Now I'd be interested to see if what's gonna happen here now. That 15 level just needed to get tapped. We hit 1575, 1525 there. It was a nice little short there off the 40s. Down there to the 15s. Whew. I'm gonna give it like 5 more minutes. If something crazy doesn't happen in the next 5 minutes, I'm fucking out of here. If you guys haven't hit that like button, help me out. We got 629 likes on the stream right now. Help me help you. If you're just now tuning in, we're doing a giveaway on Instagram. Go comment on that reel. I'll pick a winner. I'll send you a message. Giving away 2 Topstep accounts to 1 lucky Instagram commenter. Hit the comment, hit the follow, hit the like button. Leave a comment, tell everybody how sexy I look in that video, and well, you'll get a chance to win. I don't really want to stay for another 30 minutes. I got things to do. I got to go to the bank. I got to wire transfer $150,000. I got to drive south to South Florida later. I got things to do, people. I got to live my life. What if you don't have Instagram? Well, it's you just can't enter, I guess. Sorry. All right. We take out that 15 level, we go 15,000. And then I think we go down to this pivot point at the 86s again. If we lose this, if we lose this 10, 12 area here, we go downtown. What do you think? Downtown. Anybody feel the same way? Do you feel the same way? Anybody? People are feeling me. I like it. I like when people in the chat feel me. Gives me confidence to go hard in the paint. To show the world what we're made of around here, people. We break through 15s. We go 15,000. It just makes sense. 15,000, 15, 15,000. You know? Ooh. 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 Sometimes you got to make baby noises. Makes the market move down. It does. It works. I don't know why. You got to. It's like a. You know, like a chant, a war chant. Market just drops straight down. It scares the market. Oh, bouncing off that 15 level there again. They dropped it into that liquidity. The dollar still holding on. The dollar wants it. Dollar wants to go. NASDAQ wants to go. Just can we go? You know, can we get this party going? To the downside here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we can. Come on. Right here. Let's get a big boner candle through that 15 level. We need a big boner candle right through this level here, and then it's just sell, sell, sell. Sell, sell, sell. The dollar getting real tight there. The NASDAQ getting real tight here. Everything getting real tight. Give me a boner candle to the fucking grave. Not to the moon, but down, straight down. Boner candle straight down, Billy. Boner candle straight down. Right here, right now. Just straight through there. Wee! Ha-wee! Ha-wee! Looking good. Looking good, boys. We're looking good here. We're going 15,000. Somebody said it's going to go higher. Blah, 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 blah. Well, it's going to it's going down first. The dollar's going higher. I don't know about the fucking NASDAQ. All right, so we're bouncing off the VWAP here on the QQQ, so we got to be careful here. We want to get through there, and we got that pivot point down there, 361.03s. Why y'all gonna argue with me in the chat? Why y'all gonna argue with me? Like, why can't you just like support me? You know, why can't y'all just be on my team? Why does it always got to be somebody in the chat that's got to be like, we're not going down, we're gonna go up? Why? Come on, be on my side. Work with me, not against me. God. I need everybody on the same fucking energy, the same level. You know, I need everybody thinking the same way. We got to manifest it. We got to manifest the market down here. Manifest it together. Teamwork, baby. If we all feel the same way, there's 2,000 of us. We need it to drop. To drop. Drop. It's so close. It wants 15,000. I don't know. It just wants it. Problem is, if we hold up here too long, there's a chance of squeezing back up. So we definitely don't want this back. I would say we don't want it, you know, back above like 25s here. Look at the dollar. The dollar's still making moves. The ES holding on over there. The ES right there at that fucking pivot point right now. This thing's just not going to make it easy today. Not going to make it easy for me today. Fucking A. You know what's going to happen? The minute that I leave, this thing's going to go fucking 100 points. Fucking, we're gonna go about 100 points today. Fuck. Everybody in the chat, like literally just, we can't go down anymore. We can't. Bunch of haters. Bunch of fucking baby haters in the chat. Y'all are haters. Bunch of fucking haters. Why y'all hating so hard? Just let it happen. Let it happen. Just let it go. Let the boner candle happen. You know, just give us that move down there to that pivot. Just let it happen. Let it fucking happen. Ah! Stop buying the dip, assholes. Everybody pull your orders off the book. Pull them off the book. It's a battle. It's a goddamn battle here, people. It's a battle. It just wants it so badly. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Right here, baby. Right here, baby. Right here. Make a new low. Make a new low. Make a new low for daddy. Come on, I gotta be right. I gotta be right. Help me be right. Help me. Come on, NASDAQ. Right here. Oh, God. Why's it gotta be so stubborn? Why's it gotta be so... oh, it hurts. Oh, it fucking hurts. Oh, God. Patrick. Patrick. God. Get the fuck out of here. I don't care what happens now. We hit the fucking 15,000s. Everybody in the chat that said, oh, we're not going to go lower. Get the fuck out of here. I don't ever want to see your face again. If you're not on my fucking team, don't fucking watch the stream. All right? Get the fuck out of here. All of you. What the fuck? Look at it. It's literally fucking nuts. I fucking hate this shit. Fucking hate it. Literally, everybody go get fucked. Everybody that said, Patrick, it can't go lower. Patrick, it can't go lower. You're a fucking idiot. You're a fucking idiot. I want you to go ahead and just slap your fucking face into the fucking keyboard over and over until it hurts. Because you're a fucking idiot. God. Fuck. Fuckity fuck. Look at it. God fucking fuck. We took out the lows. Fucking idiots. And the reason I'm pissed I took profit a little early. Fuck. I got filled at fucking 02s. Everybody had me thinking that we were gonna bounce off the 15,000. Look at it, drop fucking 30 points. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck everybody. God damn it. Ah! I hate my life. What the fuck? All of you can just go get fucked. But. Look, just crickets. Fucking crickets in the chat now. Where's everybody at? Where's everybody at? When Patrick's right, everybody's fucking crickets. When I'm right, it's fucking crickets in the chat. Just fucking crickets. Fucking idiots. Why do I even read the chat? I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Sorry, I'm the fucking idiot here. What do you mean you're still here? You're not here. You're fucking done. You're out of here. God. I just don't get it. Like, why watch, literally, like, think about it. Like, why watch this stream? Why? Why watch it and the whole time just be saying the exact opposite of what I'm thinking? Like, why? Like, what? Why? Like, what do you do with your life? Like, how fucking, like, why? 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 God. It's like, I just don't get it. I don't fucking get it. It blows my mind. It blows my fucking mind. Fucking miserable ass people. That's all it is. Literally a bunch of miserable ass people. I don't even care what happens now. I don't even care. We ran the lows. Now we're probably gonna bounce back up. I don't even care. I'm done. Fuck it. God. Ugh. Oh, man. All right. I'm going to go to the bank and I'm going to wire transfer $150,000 to buy a boat. I hope it goes to the right account. Imagine wire transferring to the wrong account number. That would hurt. That would really, really hurt. I don't even want to think about it. I'm not even going to think about it. That's painful to even think about. Do I speak fucking Portuguese? No. Do I look like I speak Portuguese? What is this? Portuguese. I don't fucking speak Portuguese. The fuck? All right. Oh, man. But Patrick, it's gonna go up. It's not gonna go lower. ICT told me that it can't go up, that it can't go lower. ICT told me, get the fuck out of here. Get out of here. Oh, God. All right. I'm done. I'm over it. It's probably going to just fucking I don't even know. Like I said, 100 points from here. YOLO. The ES still has not broken below that 8 o'clock low. So the ES got about 5 more points to run that low down there. So I'm going to get the fuck out of here. And once again, proving that there's a reason that people watch me live on YouTube. You know, when I'm good, I'm good. When I'm bad, I'm bad. But when I'm good, people. So another piece of advice, don't listen to people in the chat. Don't do it. If you're going to come to the stream, you know, don't listen to the chat. Well, you can listen to the chat, but don't listen to them. Read it, but don't listen to them. Because there's a reason that people are in the chat, spamming the chat about stuff, because like they're fucking losers. You know, like if you're a successful, amazing day trader, the last thing you're gonna be doing is sitting in a YouTube chat, spamming it all day. Like think about that. Like if you're good at day trading, do you really think you're gonna be just like sitting in a YouTube chat, just fucking like, ha ha ha, it's gonna go up. Ha. Like, no, you're not. You're not. So there it is. I'll talk to you guys Monday morning. Mega Money Mondays. I'll be back. I'm going down south and fucking doing it. Gonna go I got the giveaway. It's on Instagram, so I'll message you on Instagram the winner today. If you guys haven't hit the like button, help me out, blow up the like button. Todd, 6 years, baby, making it happen. God, 6 years ago my YouTube was a little bad, but it got better. I'll see you guys Monday morning. Like I said, I think there's, you know, it is the last day of the month. Be careful. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Fucking make the money. We had a beautiful short there from the 40s through the 20s, down there to the 80s. If you didn't make money on that move, I don't know what to tell you. All right? All right. I'll see you guys Monday morning. Peace to the Middle East, motherfucker.